Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be doing some macaroni salad. Now macaroni salad can be made in so many different ways. You can add many ingredients to it, and trust me, no matter how you make it, it always comes out fantastic. Your friends and family love it every time you make it, and you can actually make a lot of this, and it's perfect for, you know, Sunday afternoons with some fried chicken and just get you a nice big cornbread, and I guarantee you you'll just fall in love with it. So no further ado, let's get down to the recipe so I can show you how to make it. So we're going to take at least 4 quarts of water and we're going to go ahead and bring that to a boil. And go ahead and season with about a teaspoon of salt. So once the water gets up to temperature and is boiling, go ahead and drop in your noodles. You can use any noodles, but I'm using elbow noodles. And you want to make sure that you cook that for like about 8 minutes. You want it at the perfect tenderness. And then once it's all done, we're basically going to just drain it. We're not going to be rinsing. We're going to keep that starch on there so that way it can soak up all the flavors from the sauce that we put on there. So again, at 8 minutes, just check the tenderness, make sure that the noodle's done. And once it's done, all we're going to do is just drain it. We're not going to be rinsing, we're just going to be draining it. And we're going to let that cool to room temperature. While that's cooling down, we're going to go ahead and cut a half of a red onion. We're also going to be cutting up 4 celery sticks. You want to make sure that you get all these ingredients nicely chopped. The reason why is because every time you take a bite into the salad, you want to make sure that you'll be able to get every piece of ingredient. So half of a red onion, 4 celery stalks. We're going to be doing 2 carrots, and we're going to be slicing those and then cutting them into strips and then basically chop them, as you can see right here. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to get a small little bit out of that carrot. So I'm just, cutting them into strips and I'm just chopping them into little bits. And then next we're going to be cutting about a cup of parsley. We want to fine chop that because we want to incorporate that all through the salad. Now that we got all the produce already prepped and everything, we're going to go ahead and take our cooled down macaroni and we're going to go ahead and just put everything together. Now you want to go ahead and add 1 cup of mayonnaise. You can use your favorite brand, it doesn't matter. Then we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're going to do about a tablespoon of mustard. That's just about. And then a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. And then about a teaspoon of salt. And also a half a teaspoon of black pepper. That's all the ingredients. So all you have to really do is just put everything together and just give it a mix. And make sure that you mix well because you want all the ingredients to have all the flavors of everything that you put in there. And then we're just gonna cover it and we're gonna put it in the fridge for about 2 hours right before you serve it. So it's gonna allow those noodles to absorb a lot of those juices that you put in there and the flavors in there. And trust me, it comes out fantastic. So go ahead and let it just chill for about 2 hours and then serve it up. This is a great salad and this is an all-American classic. It's a must-have in your recipe book. So I hope you give it a try. It's really delicious. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button so that way you can see future videos just like this and many more. If you have any questions or comments or any suggestions about how you make your macaroni salad, go ahead and leave it down in the comments section. Now I have these 3 other videos. They're really great recipes and I hope you try them. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.